Are you getting the conversions you want from your ad campaigns? If not, your creative approach might be the reason. Let's explore how creative diversification can help you connect with more customers. Creative diversification means using different visual concepts in a variety of ad formats and placements. It can help you connect with people who have different interests and preferences. So how do you actually do it? First, define your concept. What messages and visuals will connect with different customer motivations? Think about the different reasons someone might buy your product. A mom might choose to buy a jacket for her son because it's stylish, on trend, and warm. Someone else might buy a jacket for his sister who skis because it's high quality and built for performance. Using different concepts helps you create ads that appeal to both groups. Once you have your assets, use the generative AI tools in Advantage Plus Creative to help you create more assets at scale. You can use your visual assets and adapt them into different formats. For example, a single concept can become a video, static image, or a reel. Make sure you use the recommended aspect ratios for your mixed placement campaign. For reels, use a 9:16 aspect ratio, built for a sound-on environment and with safe zones in mind. This approach can help you reach and convert more customers. Next, deliver these assets across different placements. Placements are where your ads appear, such as in posts, stories, reels, or carousels. To make this easier, use Advantage Plus placements to automatically deliver your ads where they'll perform best. Ready to try it? Start diversifying your ad creative today.